from a phrase, then we came up with a word. Well, there wasn't really one word that I would have said that we would have come up with that would have really grabbed higher order thinking skills. We went with the two words, the constructors, because that's what the kids were doing. That has to do with the students in the room being constructors of their knowledge and of their learning. And then we talked quite a bit about the uncertainty piece and how that can be uncomfortable as a teacher because there is not this predictable set outcome that every student in the room is going to come up with.
About how do you know when you're getting deep knowledge? Okay, and those three things were that it focuses on a concept that is central to academic, professional, or applied discipline. That it also reflects complex understandings of that concept, and that students can demonstrate holistic understanding of those concepts. So that deep understanding or deep knowledge and understanding has to be about both the substance of the material and the quality of the understanding.
Three features that they talked about if you're going to have what we call this substantive conversation. First of all, you need to actually talk about concepts, not just some superficial things. It's not just recalling information. It's not just some simple one-word answer and then you move on. That's not really the essence of what a substantive conversation is. You have to have a sustained conversation. It can't just be me asking Mike something, Mike responding to me, and then we're done. It has to be at least three exchanges, me saying something to him, him saying something to me, and me responding back to that, or someone else getting involved in the conversation and making a specific response to that particular line of conversation. Okay, so and I guess the studies show that if you have a good substantive conversation, that learning is going to take place.
Came together and the teachers and the groups came up with questions that they had. We called them probes, or questions that they had. And we were set into the different groups depending on the different standards. And you came up with a question, kind of a I'm wondering question, or we're wondering, or we're trying to decide how that fits in, or how that works. And so we questions, and then from there, the groups narrowed it down to about 2 or 3 questions.